Hi, my name's Bob. My brother owns the property of the pool at Shikellamy. I put that 2112. It seemed like a really cool address to give the place. If any of you ever worked here, you might be interested in seeing the condition of the place, and we've done a lot. So that's the pool house here. I don't know whoever put the keep out. Oh, there's one door there. There's the main doors. They're still pretty much intact and the glass isn't broke, which is good. And there's the other door. And y'all remember putting your dog tags on that board. The hooks remain. The hooks are still there. It's really cool. You probably put your name on that one of those hooks 40 years ago, maybe 50. And so it's very much overgrown, and the ladders are still here. So I put them up on the chain link fence. That tree just fell in, so that's not like a normal thing here. But after Hurricane Ida just came through, the pool level is back to basically full height. And we were down about 24 inches, thinking that we wanted to pump it out, but it's a lost cause. So over there is the pump house, and where the main power came in from up at the lodge, which is up there. So the motor is missing and there's no electricity down here, but there is the pump house. So you can see that the fence is still intact, and we've been trying to cut back the sumac trees that are trying to overtake everything. And I'm going to walk you through here quick. Now we have a couple things stored in here. That's just because we need a place to put stuff. But maybe y'all remember some of this. I think there must have been a bathroom here. I think that was a potty because there's a hole in the floor here, and then there's a trap. And then over here there's a trap, so maybe that was for hand washing or even boys using the bathroom. I'm going to spin around here. I've added a couple little things to make it neat in here. Okay, so the guy that was here before added this 110 panel. Pretty cool. I guess it's a 220 panel running on a generator right now. That's all I can get. I don't have the money to buy the access for that now. And then the toilet is in here. I bought a new toilet because the old toilet is gone. And I even got a sink. And here's the generator I've been using to run everything with. And all the electrical circuits are working. So we have this, that, and even the outside lights work. So y'all might remember taking a shower and even changing in this room back here. There's a seat, there's a little bit of a roof, couple windows, nice roof. There's the door. I have my Cub Cadet stored in here because it's a great place to keep it. It's very helpful. Here's another seat, and then this must have been where the showers were connected. Y'all might remember that. I'm not sure. The wood seems to be in pretty good shape going around the place. And then there's an exit here. And then you can see the pool from the exit. There is no way to get from this exit to the pool. So it's sort of a shut-off area. So there's a lot of lanternflies around here right now. We've done a lot of clearing, and we're going to be burning this winter. To get rid of some of this brush here, we've kept some of the oak trees. 1, 2, and 3. We want to try to preserve, maybe even 4, we want to try to preserve some of the hardwoods. So that's the video of the Shikellamy pool, pretty close to the lake. If you have any questions or have any comments about what you're looking at, ask me and I can certainly help you the best I can. So you've probably taken a shower here, maybe with your troop, maybe on parents' night. You and your dad came out here, took a shower, and then went into the pool and enjoyed yourselves. So my name is Bob. Reply when you can, if you'd like, and we'll see you. We'll see you soon. Okay, so take care. Bye.